Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our very first class of reasoning. These classes are mainly for NIMSET and other MCA entrance exams, but you can also follow these classes for any other competitive exams. Reasoning is an important part for all competitive exams. It carries a good portion of marks, so it is very important to learn this reasoning properly. So there are many chapters in the reasoning like alphabet series, number series, seating arrangement, ranking, blood relations. Then there are non-verbal reasonings also like mirror and water image, counting of figures, etc. So in the NIMSET and other MCA exams, the verbal reasoning portion is main. So mainly more questions comes from the verbal reasoning portions. So alphabet series is a chapter from which at least 2 or 3 questions come each year. So that's why I have thought that we will start from this alphabet series. So let's start. So before you can do the problems of alphabet series, you have to know the place values of the alphabets. So how many alphabets are here? We have 26 alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We all know that we have 26 alphabets. Now you can number them. So what are their place values? These. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. These are the place values of the alphabet. We have to remember these place values. So remembering these place values, we need some techniques and also practice. I understand that it seems difficult to remember all the place values, but with practice you can remember them. So first we will start from some elements, some letters. So see, for E the place value is 5, for J place value is 10, then 15, for O place value is 15, for T it is 20, and for Y it is 25. So what is this? We have something called EJT. So you can remember this EJT. For E we have the place value 5, for J it is 10, for O 15, T 20, and for Y we have 25. So with this help of this EJT, you can easily tell what is the place value of D. The place value of D is 5 minus 1, because D is before E. So we get the place value of D is 4. What is place value of F? Place value of F is 5 plus 1, that is 6. Then what is the place value of I? It is just before J. So its place value is 9. What is the place value of K? It is just after J. So its place value is 11. What is for O? We have 15. So what is just before O? N is just before O. So what is the place value of N? Place value of N is 14. Then what you have T? What is just before T? Just before T we have S. S is just before T. T is 20, so S is 19. What is just after T? U. So U is 21. What is just before Y? X. X is before Y, so X is 24 and Z is 26. So using this EJT, you can remember the place value of some letters. But you have to remember the place value of all the letters so that you can do these problems quickly. So what is place value of A, it is very easy to remember place value of A. It is 1. B is 2. Then C is 3. These are easy to remember. A is 5. Now some place values, we will have some tricks to remember. So what are they? G. So you see, we can think as G like this. So this is G is 7. Then H. This is our H, and we can write this like, now you can form a 8 from this. So H is 8. Now I. It resembles with which number? It is like 9. I is 9. And J is 10. This is in the EJT. J is 10. Again M. For M, if we write a 1 like this, so M is how much? M is 13. Then which letter you can remember? W. So like this. So W, here also some 3 like shape. So W is 23. You have to do the practice of place values, then you can remember this. So what is the place value of R? The place value of R is 18. So how you can remember? So we have O, P, Q, R. O is 15, then P is 16, Q is 17, R is 18. So you can remember this from EJT. But you have to remember this. So you need practice. So what is the place value of V? So when V comes, first we have T, then U, then V. So T is 20, this we know from EJT. Then U is 21, so V is 22. So V is 22. Then what is the place value of L? How we will get this? So we know J, then K, then L. So J is how much? J is 10, K is 11, so L is 12. L is 12. Now what is the place value of X? How will get this? We know that X, Y. So Y is 25. So X is 24. So place value of X is 24. Then what is the place value of I? I told this. Place value of I is 9. Write I like this. So it resembles with 9. So place value of I is 9. What is the place value of F? It comes after E. E, F. E is 5. So F is 6. F is 6. What is the place value of M? It is 13. Then what is the place value of U? Where U comes? T, U. T is 20. U is 21. So place value of U is 21. Then what is the place value of Q? So we know O, P, Q. O is 15, P is 16, so Q is 17. Q we have 17. What is place value for S? We know that ST. T is 20, so S is 19. So like this, you can remember all the place values. So you need to do some practice. So you take a paragraph, and from that paragraph, for each the letters you write the place values. Then you will understand that it is for your practice. Then you will remember them. So take a paragraph of 3 or 4 lines, and from that lines write the place values of all the letters. So this is in this way you can remember all the place values. Remembering the place values is very important. We will use this the place values in this chapter, the alphabet series. Then we will need this in the chapter coding and decoding. There also we cannot do anything without the place values of the alphabets. So you practice this. Just take a paragraph and here there write the place values of all the letters. Let's do some more practice. So I am writing the place values. You have to tell what are the letters. So 6, then 13, 14, then 21, then 7, then 11, then 20, then 23, then write 17, 4, 25. So what are the elements? 6, this is for F, 13, this is M, 14 N, this is U, 7 is for G, then 20 is for T, 23 is for W, 17 is for Q, 4 is for D, 25 is for E. So if you do some practice, then you will remember this. Let's start with some small questions. So we have this series Q, then S, U, W. What is the next one? So how will you solve this? What is the number of Q? It is 17. S is 19, U is 21 and W is 23. So you see that 17, then we have plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 and here we need plus 2. So this will be 25. So 25 means it is Y. So Y is the correct answer. Now let's do this. First we have W, then R, then M, then H. And what is the next? W is 23, R is 18, M is 13, H is 8. So you see that this is minus 5. We have then minus 5. This is also minus 5. So 8 minus 5, what is this? This is 3. 3 means C. So C is the correct answer. Let's do this. So we have A, then D. So A is 1, D is 4, H is 8, M is 13, S is 19. So what we get? Here we get plus 3, here we get plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. So it will be plus 7. So 19 plus 7 is how much? It's 26. So what is 26th element? This is Z. So answer is Z. Let's increase the level. Here we have W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P and what is the next? So W is 23, then U is 21, S is 19, Q is 17. So we see that we are getting minus 2. So 23 is 21, it is 19, it is 17. 17 minus 2 is 15. 15 means it start with O. And what is the second element? So V is 22, T is 20, T is 20, R is 18 and P is 16. So here also we are getting minus 2. So what is 16 minus 2? It is 14. 14 means N. So the answer is ON. Then we have this. So check, it is 23, then it is 20, it is 17 and it is 14. So these are minus 3. So it is minus 3, then we get minus 3, then we get minus 3. So 14 minus 3 is 11. So first will be K. Then here is D, D means 4, here is G, 7, this is 10 and M is 13. So here we get plus 3. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 means P. And here you have V, it is 22, S is how much? S is 19, P is 16 and M is 13. Here also you get minus 3. So 22 minus 3 is 19, 19 minus 3 is 16 and 16 minus 3 is 13. So 13 minus 3 is 10. So here will be, let's do the number 6. So we have W, U, T, R, P, O, M, K, J, H, F, E. And what is the next? So W is 23, R is 18, M is 13 and H is 8. So you see the difference is 5. So we get minus 5, here also minus 5, here minus 5. So then 8 minus 5, it will be 3. 3 means C. Now we have U, U is 21, then you have P, P is 16, P is 16, then K is 11, F is 6. So we get here also we get minus 5, again minus 5, minus 5. So 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1 means we get A. Now see, T is 20, then O is 15, then J is 10, E is 5. So The next will be 5 minus 5, that is 0. And 0 is Z. A is 1 and Z we can tell 0. So the last will be Z. So our answer will be CAZ. That is the option A. Now question 7. This came in EAMCET 2013. So we have to find the missing element in the series. So first we have A, then B is missing here, then we have CD, then EF is not there, then we have GHI, then JKL will be not there, and we will have MNOP. Then QRST, these four are missing, and then we have UVWXY. So here this pattern is followed, that first we have one element, then one element is missing, then we have two elements and two elements are missing, then we have three elements and three are missing, then we will have four elements. So this is the answer. So this we will have here 4 elements and 4 are missing, then we have 5 elements. So our in the gap, what will be in the gap? It will be MNOP. So answer B is correct. Now from question 8, you have to find the missing term. So first we have D, then here is H, then we don't have, this term is missing, then we have P, then we have T. So D is 4, H is 8, P is 16, T is 20. So we see that there is a gap of 4. Here is also gap of 4. So here we should have gap of 4. So 8 plus 4, that is 12. So we see here is gap of 4 and also 12 and 16, there is a gap of 4. So what is the 12th element? The 12th is K. So sorry, 12th is L. So here we will have L. Now we have C, then G, then a gap, then O, and then S. So C is 3, G is 7, O is 15, and S is 19. So here we have gap of 4, here 4. So here also we will have gap of 4. So 7 plus 4, that is 11. 11 means K. So two elements are LK. Okay, then we have to find the these options are eliminated. So B or D. Now we have to find for the third. So we have X, then T, then L, and then H. X is 24, T is 20, the L is 12, H is 8. So what we get? We get minus 4 here, we get minus 4 here. So here also we should have minus 4. Minus 4, 20 minus 4 is 16. So we will have, what is 16? P is 16. P is 16. So we get L, then K, then P. So L, K, P, O. Answer D, option D is correct. In this question you have to find the odd one out. So what is the first element? D, E, H, G. So D is what? D is 4, E is 5, H is 8, and G is 1. So we get from here to here we get plus 1, then plus 3, then G is 7, then minus 1. So plus 1, plus 3, minus 1. So again in this R, S, V, U. Here what we get? R is 18, S is 19, V is 22, and U is 21. So we get here plus 1, here plus 3, and this is minus 1. Then we have J, K, N, M. So J is 10, K is 11, N is 14, and M is 13. So 10 plus 1, 11. So plus 1. 11 plus 3 is 14, so plus 3, and 11 minus 1 is 13, so minus 1. So you see the pattern is plus 1, plus 3, minus 1. But what will happen in the last option? We get there is L, M, Q, P. So L is 12, M is 13, Q is 17, and P is 16. So here we have plus 1, then 17 minus 13 is 4. So we get plus 4 and then minus 1. So this pattern is different. This is plus 1, plus 4, minus 1. So what is the odd one? D, option D. L, M, Q, P is the odd. We have to fill in the blank. So our first is J, A, K, then K, B, L, then L, C, M, then M, D, N. So J is 10, K is 11, L is 12, M is 13. So the next will be 14. So what is 14? 14 is N. Now we have A. Now see A, B, C, D. So next will be E. Then we have K, L, M, N. So next will be O. So correct answer is N, E, O. Option B. Now this question, it says what is the next letter in the series. So this came in NIMSET 2008. So first we have O, 1 O, then 2 T, then 3 F, then 4 S. Then the pattern follows. First is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then there is 1 N. So there should be 5 N's. So the next letter will be, so in here we have 1 N. So next letter will be another N. So N will be the next letter. So option D is correct answer. Then we have this fill in the blank. So first is H, E, C, then J, G, E, L, I, G, N, K, I, and we have to tell the next. So H is 8, J is 10, L is 12, N is 14. So we see there is a difference of 2. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, then 14 plus 2, it will be 16. 16 means P. So it will start with P. So there is only one option, that is option B. It starts with P. So answer is P and K. You can check for the others. So E is 5, G is 7, I is 9, then K is 11. So here also you see the difference of 2. So 11 plus 2, that is 13. 13 means M. Then C, that is 3, E is 5, G is 7, I is 9. Here is also difference of 2. So 9 plus 2, that is 11. 11 means K. So answer is P, M, K. This question came is NIMSET 2023. So we have D, F, H, then dash, then L. D is 4, F is 6, H is 8, L is 12. So here is difference of 2. So plus 2, we get plus 2, here plus 2. So here we must get plus 2. So 8 plus 2, that is 10. So 10 means J. Now we have N, then Q, T, and here is Z. So N is 14. N is 14, Q is 17, then T is 20. So here we see the difference of 3. 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 plus 3 is 20. So we should have 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 is W. And 23 plus 3 is 26, that is Z, it is given. So here we will have W. Similarly, the next one will also be W. So the answer will be J, W, W. So option C, it will be the correct answer. Now see this question, this came in 2018 and also 2022. So what was its answer? NEO. So this was J, K, L, M, then we had N, then A, B, C, D, E, and K, L, M, N, O. So answer was NEO. So question was repeated. Therefore, it is important to solve the previous year questions. Let's do this. So we have B, Y, C, X, then D, W, E, V, then F, U, G, T, and we have to tell the next. So B is 2, then D is 4, and F is 6. So we are seeing the difference of 2. So 6 plus 2, that is 8. 8 means H. So what will be the answer? You see, only one option starts with H, that is option C. So C will be the correct answer. Now you can check the others too. So Y is 25, then W is 23, U is 21. So we get difference of 2. So 25 minus 2 is 23, 23 minus 2 is 21, and 21 minus 2, that is 19. So 19 means S. Then C, E, G. So we have 3, 5, 7. Then 7 plus 2, that is 9. 9 means I. And X, that is 24, V is 22, and T is 20. So here is difference of 2. 20 minus 2 is 18. 18 is R. So option C is the right answer. So let's do this. We have Q, then here we have S, then U, then W, then what is the next? So Q is 17, S is 19, U is 21, and W is 23. So next one will be 25, and 25 means that is Y. So we understand it will start with Y. So option D will not be there. And for this we have F, then E, D, C. So clearly the next will be B. So we have to see what will be the second term. The second one here is a number. So how we get the number? So for the first number we have 1 into 1. So first we have 1. Now 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1. So this is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. And in the second number we get this 2. Now for the second number, here we have 2. So it will be 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2. So here we get 4 plus 2, that is 6. You see the 6 is the third number. Then next we get 6 multiplied by 3 plus 3, that is 18, plus 3, that is 21. So 21 is the fourth number. And for the fifth we will have 21 multiplied by 4 plus 4. So this is 84 plus 4 means 88. So the second number is 88. So what is the correct option? Option C, that is Y, 88B. This is the correct option. So this was different. So you see, so for the second term what we have done. So we have first the first term is 1, then we did 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1. So we get 2, the second term. Then the second term is 2. With it we multiplied 2 and added 2. So we get the third term. The third term is 6 and we multiplied 3 and added 3. So we get the fourth term. And fourth term is 21. With it we multiplied 4 and added 4. So we get 88. So it is the fifth term. Now next, so in this series, looking at the letter pattern, fill in the blank in the middle of the series. So E, L, F, S, G, L, H, A, I, L, J, A. Then the term is missing. Then M, L, N, A. So E plus G, E is 5, G is 7, I is 9, M is 13. So you see we have plus 2. So 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 will be 11. So here we will have k. Then check the next. Let's check the third term. So we have f, then h. So f is 6, h is 8, j is 10. So plus 2. Then j plus 2, that is 12. 12 is L. So the third term will be L. So what will be the answer? It will be K L L A. So when you understand that the first term will be L, we eliminate the options A and option C. Now for the option B we have K L M A and option D we have K L L A. So we see that the second and the last, that is the fourth, are same. So we don't check for them. So we only check for the third. So in the third we get here L. How we get the L? So F is 6, then 8, then J is 10, then 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 is L and plus 2 is 14, that is N. So the third term will be L. That's why B will not be the answer. So D will be the answer. So in this way, by eliminating the options, we did this. We didn't solve the whole problem. So next we have PTA, Q, UB, RDX, SWD, and now we have to tell the next. So P, Q, R, S, then we have T. So P is 16, Q is 17, R is 18, S is 19, then we will have 20. So 20 is T. Then we have T, U, V, W, then we have X. So T is 20, this is 20, U is 21, V is 22, W is 23, and then we have 24. 24 means X. So T, X, then A, B, C, D, E. So we have T, X, E. So it is the option D. Option D is the correct answer. Now we have W, G, P, R, U, D, L, M, then dash, Q, X, T, C, and O, U, Z, X. So you see W is 23, U is 21, Q is 17, and O is 15. So we have minus 2. 23 minus 2 is 21. Then 21 minus 2 is 19. 19 means S. So 19 minus 2 is 17, that is Q, and 17 minus 2 is 15, that is O. So our option answer starts with S. So there is only one option that starts with S. So S, A, H, H. So you can check the others. So G is 7, D is 4. Then X is 24 and O is 21. So here 7 minus 3 is 4. Then 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? That is 1. 1 means A. Now, so A, then minus 3. So you get Z, then Y, then X. So here we get X, and X is 24. 24 minus 3 is 21, that is U. Then P is 16, then L is 12. So here we have minus 4. Then 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 means H. And 8 minus 4, that is 4. So we have D, and D minus 4. So we have 0. 0 means Z. In this way you can check. Then R is 18. And M is 13. So we have here minus 5. So 18 minus 5 is again H. 18 minus 5 is 8. So 8 is H. Then 8 minus 5, that is 3. So here we get 3 C. And 3 minus 5. So minus 2. So C minus 5. C. Then we have B, A, then Z, Y, and X. So we got here X. So 19 is option A. Now let's do 20. So here we have first AB, then capital C, capital D. Then E is missing. E is missing. So E is not here. Then we have small f G and capital H, capital I. Then we have a gap. Then we have S T U V. Then the other term after V, what after V? W X Y Z. They are not here. They are omitted. And again we have A B C D. So here A B C D. Here E was omitted. Then F G H I. So J K. So J K will be omitted. Then what we will get? We get L. After K we have L M. Then N O. So after that what will be omitted? So after that we have P Q R. These three are omitted, and we have S T U V. And then W X Y Z are omitted, and we have A B C D. So what is the answer? Answer is L M N O. So option B is the correct answer. So these are some practice questions. So apart from the questions of previous years of NIMSET, we did some practice questions. So if you need more practice questions for this chapter, you tell me in comment. I will make another video. And thanks for watching.